Hello everyone, I am Fitria Samsudin and I am from Group 1 about Buton Island. Okay, in Indonesia, there is one beautiful island and there are interesting and amazing stories in it, namely the island of Sulawesi. On the island of Sulawesi, there is one area that was once a kingdom or sultanate in ancient times, namely the island of Buton. To go home to Buton, you must first pass through a place, namely Kendari, where there is a typical food called sinonggi, and after Kendari to the Amolengo ferry port, which takes about 3.5 hours to Buton Island, to the capital city of Baubau. There is a small village outside the city of Baubau, namely Boneatiro, or what is often called a fishing village. There, there is a special little girl named Dirta who lives with her parents. Okay. Dirta has a different characteristic from ordinary people, namely she has a different eye color, one of which is blue. This is due to certain gene that is passed down by one in 42,000 people in the world, because her Portuguese grandfather married their ancestors who were the local community in the area or indigenous people. From the from there, the color of Dirta eyes can be different from people in general, which is a gift according to the people there, because many people from outside the city and tourists want to come to their village to see the special features that Dirta has. After seeing the rare special features that Dirta has, they continue to the famous stories interaction of Buton Island, namely the place fort, which used to be a kingdom but when Islam entered Buton, the kingdom changed to sultanate, and there are also some people who argue that Islam entered Buton from Chober, Malaysia, and there are also those who argue that they come from Ternate. Where in the place, for there is the holiest place where there is a stone called Batu Papawa. In that place, the new sultan in ancient times would take an oath and promise to lead with good ethics, and it said that if he does not dreams, will then he will be sunk into the earth. And there is also a 40,083 year old grand mosque of the Sultanate, which was original put 1541, and there are also relics of the Portuguese and Dutch eras, namely ancient canons, and there is also a statue of a dragon till the mayor office, while the statue of his body and head are in the city center. It is said that the statue symbolizes the relationship between the Buton Sultanate and the Childness Kingdom in the past, and there are many more interesting icons that symbolize Buton culture, such as they built a statue of the last king and the first sultan, namely Sultan Himayatuddin, 23 meters high. From the beginning of entering Buton Island, precisely in the Baobab area, you will often see a symbol in many places, namely the pineapple symbol, which symbolizes the personality of the people on Buton Island of Baobab, namely hard on the outside and inside. And from the amazing things that exist on Buton Island, it is no wonder that they are very proud of their history and cultural heritage and must be portended. The people there are very kingdom. Okay, that's all from me, and thank you.